2005 Buick Lesabre Limited cold start. The temperature is negative 14 degrees with a wind chill of approximately negative 30 degrees. The car has been sitting for 3 days, has not been started in 3 days. So, starts right up every time. I'm actually pretty impressed. This Series 2 3800 requires almost no work to get it going. Pretty good indeed. I can say for sure that I'm really sick of the cold weather, the Arctic vortex, the whatever's happening early 2014 crap that we're dealing with. We're setting records. We've set records for snow and temperature, and I tell you what, this is going to be one of those winters that we'll not soon forget. Hopefully the summer isn't blistering hot. So, alright, there's another cold start for you.